Hi BH Beauties, it's Sonia Kiani, also known as Forever Untamed, and today I'm so excited I get to share with you my top favorite shades from our newly launched liquid linens. So let's get the swatch party going. Starting with my favorite and signature color red, this gorgeous color Maria. I love it. You can never go wrong with the red, and this is a perfect red because it's a blue red, so it goes with every skin tone. Next is this gorgeous burnt orange color named Mel, and I'm kind of obsessed with this color. So if you don't want to wear red, but you want a beautiful pop of color, especially with this bronzy summer look, this is a perfect shade. Next up, we have Julianna, this gorgeous brown. It's like the perfect shade. It is not too warm, it's not too cool. I feel like it goes with every skin tone, and it's perfect for that vampy look. My absolute favorite nude, Martha. It is the perfect nude with a little bit of pink undertone, but I love pairing this with a smoky eye because it just brings the whole look together. Martha, Martha, Martha. There you have it, my loves, my top favorite liquid linens. I want to hear from you. I want to know what's your favorite color, so be sure to tag us. And until next time, my loves, stay bold, brilliant, and beautiful. Bye.